Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. As-salatu was-salamu ala khatimin nabiyyin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in. Amma ba'd, fa'auzu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Qala Allah ta'ala fi Surah Al-E-Imran, huwa alladhi anzala alayka al-kitaba minhu ayatun muhkamatun hunna ummul kitabi wa ukharu mutashabihat. فأما الذين في قلوبهم زيغ فيتبعون ما تشابه منه ابتغاء الفتنة وابتغاء تأويله وما يعلم تأويله إلا الله والراسخون في العلم يقولون آمنا به كل من عند ربنا وَمَا يَذَّكَّرُ إِلَّا أُولُو الْأَلْبَابِ. Translation: He is Allah who has revealed the book upon you, wherein the verses of precisely clear message having established meaning and commands muhkamat. Those are the foundation of the book, and others are allegorical and symbolic mutashabihat. So as for those who have doubts in their hearts or minds, they follow the mutashabihat verses. Thus they try to mislead by seeking deviation, distorted interpretation for them. Although no one knows its interpretation and original meaning except Allah, and those having sound scholarly knowledge, they affirm, we believe in them as all of its verses are from our Rabb, and no one grasp the message except the people of understanding. We have studied this topic in the introduction of Quran about the two types of ayahs. Most of the Quranic ayahs are muhkamat and some are mutashabihat. The meaning of muhkamat is precisely known, and all the orders of Allah that come as do and don't, and halal and haram, and good and bad, are the ayats which are muhakamat. And these ayahs are the foundation of the book. Like, we must believe in all the ayats, including muhakamat and mutashabihat, but we must follow the muhakamat, and we must not try to go in the meaning of mutashabihat, because Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has not given us the meaning of mutashabihat. However, those people who have disease in their hearts and they want to mislead by seeking deviation, and they want to get distorted interpretation for them, if they have any idea, they just want to prove them with the mutashabihat of Quran, and these people are not guided people, these are misguided people. And similarly, the Christians were focused on the things like in Quran, Allah said Jesus, the Kalamatullah or Ruh Allah, but they did not put their efforts in understanding the true Tawheed, the true oneness of Allah. And there are hundreds of ayahs about the Tawheed of Allah, the oneness of Allah, but they only focus on these mutashabihat when Allah called Jesus as Kalamatullah or Ruh Allah. So Allah said that these people have diseased hearts, these people does not have true understanding, and they do not want to get guidance from Quran, and they just are misled themselves, and they try to mislead other people as well. On the other hand, those people who have sound scholarly knowledge, they believe in all of the ayahs, but they do not try to make interpretation for mutashabihat. One thing should be understood, that there are some scientific facts that are mentioned in Quran, and when they were not proven, they were among mutashabihat, but after they were proven, they became muhkamat. Like every star in all the heavenly bodies are circling in their orbits, as it was mentioned in Surah Yasin. وَكُلٌّ فِي فَلَكٍ يَسْبَحُونَ. But at that time it was not known, so it was among the ayat mutashabihat, but now we know that this is the true scientific fact, so it has become the ayat muhkamat. Let's pray that, oh Allah, give us full belief, complete absolute belief on the whole Quran, and make us among those who follow the muhkamat. Ameen. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alamin. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.